What is? Regina said I'm done.
Only because you broke the door and you don't know how to fix it.
And I'm strong. And I broke in the door.
Yeah, I could have broken the door too.
Cause you wouldn't let me.
Why are you putting a screwdriver in the wall? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you screwing the screw into the wall?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to do that.
Okay.
Get a hammer and hit it through the wall. See?
Watch me hurt myself. I'm garbage now.
Garbage man.